Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact airlines through Expedia? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Expedia. So simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. In order for you to go ahead and book a flight through Expedia, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select where you're leaving from, where you're going to, your date, how many travelers, and you can just go ahead and simply book it through right over here on Expedia. So there are a lot of airlines, Thai, and there are other airlines as well, Etihad, and then there's a bunch more. So you can simply go ahead and book it through here. However, if you want to go ahead and contact airlines in order for your departure or something like that, what you can do is simply go ahead and click on support on Expedia, and once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on flight, and once you've done that, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and select what is happening. So airline contact information, you can simply go ahead and get it through here as well. You can find it on your itinerary or confirmation email as well. So simply go ahead and click on that and it will show you right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.